Are you struggling to edit your notes on Evernote? In this video, I will show you an easy step-by-step method to unlock editing on the Evernote app so you can update, modify, and manage your notes without any restrictions. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Evernote app. In this page, we will go here to this window. Then in this page you will find settings, so we'll tap on settings. After that, on this list of settings you will enter to notes. You will click here, and then in this page you will find this window and you will find here edit protection, so we click to disable this feature of protect. Here, as you see, protect your notes from accidental taps. Double tap in the notes to edit, so you will disable this feature of edit protection here. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.